Happy day. I'm Nalima Ahmed because gratitude is a subject or a topic or the word which is very close to my heart, and I can speak for hours and hours on that word. Gratitude. We all learn this word, thank you, when we learn the first few words of our life. But do we really learn the meaning of thank you when these words are taught to us or as we grow up? Or rather as we come to the end of our life. Not really. We learn to say thank you when someone offers something or does something for us. But we don't learn to say thank you when something goes wrong in our life. And I learned this from the book The Magic by Rhonda Byrne. This book came into my life in 2015, and my life has never been the same after that. I have written about this book, about this word gratitude in my book, One Life, Many Journeys. And also, I conduct a workshop based on that book. So, this word is very close to me. And I just realized when I read that book that yes, I say thank you, but I don't feel thank you. And then I started making a conscious effort in 2015 to feel gratitude, feel it from within. And the more I felt gratitude for each and everything in my life, I realized things becoming so beautiful in my life, magic actually coming into my life. So I feel today in 2021, I feel grateful for each and everything that is there in my life. And it's not just about what is there in my life. I feel grateful for what is not there in my life. Or even if something goes the other way, I must have expected it to go in the X way, and if it has gone in B way, I will still feel very grateful about it. And this is what I feel we all have to learn. I have done n cycles of that book of 28 days gratitude. I still do them. The moment I open my eyes, is the first word is thank you. The moment I close my eyes, the last word is thank you. My whole day is filled with thank you. So I cannot pinpoint what three things I'm grateful for. I'm grateful for everything, everything. The moment right now, I'm grateful that I got this opportunity to go live today on my favorite topic, gratitude. It's the perfect mix to welcome abundance in our life. The moment you start feeling grateful, immediately abundance starts knocking on your door. But it will enter your life only and only if you drop a few things from your life, like complaint, cribbing, gossiping, or being judgmental. So, very important that we stop complaining and cribbing about everything and anything in our life. Just accept the way it is, and you will see that it creates amazing results. Uh, the kind of vibration you start being in. So, for me, gratitude is like each and every action, each and every moment, there will be a thank you that I will say and I will feel. So, it's not that. Nothing has gone the other way around from 2015 till 2021. There have been a lot of things, people who have gone the other way for me, not the way I expected it to be or I desired it to be, but I have always felt really grateful because they went the other way, or because they gave me that hurt, or they passed that comment on me, or I did not get that opportunity to work, or for that matter, I lost my father last year. Even then I felt really grateful to the universe for a lot of things uh, surrounding that particular person or that particular event. It's not about feeling grateful to for what you have. It is also about feeling grateful for not having something. Now, what I mean by this is, suppose you lose your job, you can still be very grateful. You lost your job. I am very grateful I lost my job because I'll get an opportunity to hone my skills. I'll get an opportunity to do all those things that I wanted to do when I had a job. Because when we are in a job, we say, "Saas lene ki fursat nahi hai. I don't get time to even read, paint. I don't get time to call. I'm so busy all the time." So be grateful now you've got the time to do all those things you were complaining that time. What happens is we humans are complaining in each and every situation. If we have a job, we are complaining we have no time, and when we don't have a job, we complain we don't have a job. So if you put this in every situation, you will see maximum people around you complaining that way. And that is what you have, that's what I said, complaining, cribbing has to stop, gossiping has to stop, being judgmental about others has to stop. And you will see this abundance entering your life like a flush, like a tsunami, and you will be just soaked in that abundance so much that it's magic. And that's why the book is called The Magic. And I want to stop here, otherwise I'll go on and go on and go on. I'm grateful for each and everything. Thank you so much, and thank you everyone for watching this live of mine. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a great evening.